Hello, welcome back to Lion Bull Academy. Today we're gonna study a new indicator and a simple strategy for follow this indicator. The indicator is sorry, the Ichimoku clouds. It's a great indicator who give a lot of good enters. You can use in any time frame. It's easy to read when you know how it's working. Don't worry, now you're gonna learn it. It's really simple to use when you already know what's mean each line. Very important to use risk reward ratio to 1 risk 1.5 profit. Okay, that's very important because this helps that this strategy will be always in a 60 to 65% um, right. Okay, that always will you will be 60 from 100 trades, 60 trades will be right one. So if you have this risk 1 to profit 1.5 will be a great strategy. Okay, let's start to put the indicator inside of the chart. We click here, we need this kind of pen, we click steady one, then we find the Ichimoku clouds, we let how it is, now I will explain how it's working, and you have here the Ichimoku lines and the clouds. Let's explain what is everything. Okay, the first is the line of conversion, that is the blue line. Then you have the base line, that is the red line. Then you have the the A and the B, that are the clouds. And then this one, I don't know how to say in English, the rezagado, this green one, is this one here. That is the line who show you the tendency. Let's start with this one first. This line will show you how strong is the tendency. More separate is from the price, more in tendency will be the price. If it's above the price, the candles, will be an uptrend. If below the candles, it will be a downtrend. That's one stuff. But really, you don't need to consider it too much. That one. You even can ignore really that one. The blue line and the red line is what give us the enter and give us also the stop loss for place. So if the blue line, example, now we are uptrend. If the blue line broke above the red line, like it's like cross above, it's a buy opportunity. We buy exactly after close the candle of the cross. And we put the stop loss below the red line, the base line. That's how it's working. Very important for enter in this market need to be this cloud form, this blue cloud, this blue, listen to me, this green cloud. If we are green, the cloud is mean a buy opportunity. If the price is inside of the cloud, we ignore the signals, we don't take it. If the cloud is red color, I'll show you one more. Let's make separate. Is the red color, it's a sell opportunities. So we're waiting for the blue line cross below to the red line, and after will be below. When the candle of the cross close, we enter in sell. Stop loss below, above the red line, and take profit 1.5 times the stop loss, the distance to the enter to the stop loss. It's very simple strategy. Now, how we can make better this strategy? We can introduce one moving average of 200 periods, exponential, and we put the color violet. So everything what is above the 200 moving average, it's a buy. Everything what is below is a sell. When the price is like here, a mess that you see, red, blue, really don't have a tendency at all, we ignore the enters here. this strategy working very good in a tendency market. So we're waiting for a tendency start to form. You can trade in any time frame. You can also use example 15 minute time frame for looking the main tendency and then trade in the small period all in that direction, or you directly can trade in 15 minutes, in 5 minutes, in 1 minute, in 1 hour, in 1 day, in 1 week. That's all up to you. You can choose which time frame you are interested to trade. So that's all. I think it's very simple strategy to follow. Just remember when, like here, okay, let's looking for other enter more. Here it's a uptrend. Here I have one enter. We can enter here, but this go wrong. Why? You can see here this green line is showing us that the market is not in tendency at all. Here we have other enter. We was able to enter in this one. Stop loss very small one, so will be perfect. When close this candle, we enter in the next candle. Stop loss here, very short, and then the take profit will be here, and then will be perfect enter. Okay, you can use this green line from here for help you also to choose which trade to do and which one not, or ignore that green line. That's up to you. We have here one enter more. You can see here no. When the price is inside of the cloud, we ignore the signals. Okay, that's all. If you like it, please click the like button. Comment if you have some more questions about the strategy, but really when you're gonna start in demo, you're gonna see it's quite simple. Subscribe to the channel, very important. And also remember, risk reward. One risk, example, you risk €1, you need to make profit €1.50. That's for you have an idea. And try always to go with tendency markets. It's working in any kind of markets. I use especially in index or in stocks, but you can use also in forex is very good one. So you can use for anything this for any instrument this strategy. See you next time.